Alrighty guys, man, it's been a long process. I've been working on the Escort, buffed the paint, did a bunch of stuff. Today's a big day. Today we're gonna do rotors. We're also gonna do the axles. I'm gonna try to show you here. Let me get a flashlight so you guys can see that the boots are actually, they're torn. So I'm actually gonna replace those. I bought a set for eBay and I'm going to replace them for you guys, or for me, but you know, to share with you guys. But there's the broken boot and it's on both sides, so I got the set. And then we're gonna do the drill rotors. I'm gonna paint the calipers, and I'm also gonna do a time lapse to show you guys how I took the wheels from looking like that right there to looking like that right there. Got the black wheels and the painted drums. So this side's done, but I want to do the other side now. I just basically used Rust-Oleum. I got myself a drill here with this bit here. You could get it at Harbor Freight. I'll specify what it is. And basically what I'm doing is I'm killing all of the clear coat that's coming off. I'm bringing it down to the metal. I'm sanding it, I'm priming it, and then I'm painting it. So hope you guys enjoy the process here. Check you guys out in a bit. Got the Rust-Oleum.